Prefix is another really great tool that is going to help you fasten the shoe to the foot quickly and be able to glue it on the ground. So it's a two-part, it's a CA glue, this is the activator. You need to have both parts. And what we're going to do is put a bead of the glue on the edge of the cuff and the shoe surface. You don't need to use too much of it. And then what we're going to do is we're going to spray the activator on the foot. And put our shoe. You have to make sure that the shoe placement is correct and quick, because this glue will set pretty fast in just a matter of seconds. You see, it's been 3 seconds or so and the shoe is already fastened, and now we can finish gluing on the ground. That helps you a lot on a horse that is sore or a horse that doesn't behave.